Namaskaram and स्वागत है हमारे dear customers का। Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand woven sarees. Started in the year 2012, now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the prices, we always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest Vimal store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees. Dear customers, today's episode is going to be about very royal and gorgeous Kanchipattu sarees, and let me show you the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is a beautiful yellow color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal with floral buttees which are in circles. This work is in gold zari which looks very subtle yet very beautiful on the yellow color body. The border has diamonds and lines, and we have beautiful temples on the edge with florals and boxes. All this beautiful work is in gold zari again. Here's the pallu for the sari, which has floral brocade work and cross checks in gold zari. And there's a lovely self blouse in yellow color for this beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Now we will be moving on to our next sari from Kanchipattu collection. Here's a beautiful and elegant off-white with red color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have this beautiful florals and leaves jal. Look at the red color flowers looking so bright and lovely on the off-white body, and the gold color zari work is there in florals and leaves. Here's the contrasting border for the sari, which has dollars in boxes and cross lines in gold zari. We also have florals and leaves jal in beautiful gold zari. The sari has a contrasting pallu. We have florals and leaves and lines. There are small paisleys in boxes, diamond brocade work and floral brocade work into gold zari. Here's the contrasting blouse for your off-white sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Here's a beautiful peacock green with magenta color Kanchipattu sari. Let's get started with the body. On the body, we have lovely floral and leaves jal. Very intricate work is there in gold zari with circle of floral buttees overlapping with the jal work. The border in magenta color has temples on the edge. We have zari lines. There are diamonds with small polkas inside them and floral brocade work in cross checks. We also have polkas and diamonds again in beautiful champagne gold zari. The contrasting pallu for this sari has temples. We have dollars and boxes. There are zari lines, polkas and diamonds, and here we have florals in cross checks in gold zari. This is the contrasting blouse for your beautiful peacock green sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's a very beautiful and classic combination of pink with blue. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have floral buttees in gold zari. Looks like beautiful marigold flowers. Very lovely work in gold zari on the pink color body, contrasting and shining beautifully. The border has leaves on the edge, and we have dollars in boxes with zigzag lines and cross lines in gold zari. Our contrasting pallu, which is in beautiful shade of blue, has leaves on the edge with dollars and lines. We have cross lines. There are yalis with florals inside boxes and diamond brocade work in champagne gold zari. This is the contrasting blouse in blue color for your pink sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. These weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here's a very royal Kanchipattu sari in sea green and pink color. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have beautiful florals and leaves jal in gold zari, adding a lovely lustre to the sea green color body. The border, which is in pink color, has florals and leaf jal in gold zari with cross lines, and then we have small zigzag lines, and we also have polkas and lines with paisleys inside boxes. Our contrasting pallu has florals and leaf jal and lines with floral brocade work in gold zari. And the sari has a beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color which has self-embossed wavy lines all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop for our saris by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box, which will take you to our website kanchivimal.com, and there you can add this sari and many more such beautiful saris to your cart and place the order right away. Here's a classic red and green color Kanchipattu sari. Let me show you the body, and make sure that you are placing an order at least for this sari, because all of you ladies should have a classic sari in your wardrobe. The body of this one in red color has floral buttees inside cross, florals and leaves jal checks, which is in gold zari. Very royal work is there on the red color body. The border of this one is in green color, has leaves on the edge. We have florals and lines. There are diamonds and peacocks inside boxes. We have florals in lines again. There are florals in boxes, and this time we have diamonds and curvy checks, and there are cross lines in gold zari too. Here's the contrasting pallu for your red sari, which has peacocks. We have florals and circles. There is floral brocade work. There's a repetition of work here, which is creating a beautiful pattern, and all this work is in gold zari. Here's the contrasting green color blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop sitting at home with video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you all the beautiful varieties of sarees and various price ranges too, very personally just to you. Here's the next gorgeous festive saree in mustard and pink color. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have floral buttees with leaves. So these floral buttees are in champagne gold zari, and they have been outlined with pink color thread work, making them even more prominent, even more bright and beautiful. Our pink color border has paisleys on the edge. There are florals and dollars in boxes. There are cross lines in silver zari. We also have paisleys with florals and leaves jal, and again there's a repetition of work creating a beautiful pattern in silver zari. Let's have a look at the contrasting pallu for this one, which has diamonds in lines. There are small floral buttees in hexagonal boxes. There are peacocks with florals and leaves jal, and we have floral brocade work in cross checks and silver zari. This saree has a contrasting blouse in pink color, which has self-imposed work over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide cash and delivery option only in Hyderabad. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Dear customers, you can also shop through online video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you all the beautiful varieties of sarees and various price ranges too, and just to you very personally. Dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about very royal Kanchipattu sarees. I tried to show you so many different vibrant combinations in colors and various designs too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.